Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Castaño. I'm 15 years old. I'm from Bogota, Colombia, and I am studying in the Gimnasio Los Andes. Today I'm gonna talk to you about the sustainable development. Let's start by clarifying what is sustainable development. This concept is a dream for all the nations in the world. The concept as itself is a self-sufficient, stable process in which is taken into account the future of humanity and the nature. This concept has a main objective and is to make a better world and to find or reach a better future, a positive future. The sustainable development covers three principal topics: the environment, the social, talking about the community, and the economy. These three principal topics are the base of the sustainable development. All these three aspects of the sustainable development has a specific way of control. Talking about the environment is taking into account the nature and its necessities. In the social, it is important to involve or promote the global awareness and to call the attention of the social conscience. And talking about the economy, it is important to have a better use of the resources. I'm gonna talk about the UN organization, in which they work and think about the sustainable development. They established 17 goals to get closer or to reach this incredible dream. The 17 goals are based in the problems of the humanity. I will give you an example of the concept and how these three principal topics of the sustainable development are related with a principal problem of humanity. I'm gonna talk about the second goal of the sustainable development, the zero hunger. The zero hunger is a very complicated problem to resolve because it goes hand in hand with many problems like the poverty, the problems of the environment, talking about the resources, and also, like for example, the social awareness. You would ask why I'm talking about the zero hunger, the second goal of the UN organization. I think that this goal is one of the most important to achieve or to reach right now. Why? Because it represents basic needs of the humanity, the necessity of the food. The main problem of this goal is the scarcity of resources for the entire world population. Why? The food is a limited good, and the amount of food do not supply the amount of people that were in the world. Almost 7,400 million people. The key of this problem of the hunger in the world is in the sectors of food and agriculture. The UN organization wants to promote the idea of sustainable agriculture, in which the community is involved to create projects in which the creation of the food supplies the necessities of the people who needs it. With this example about the zero hunger, the problem of the hunger in the world, we can connect the three bases of the sustainable development. In the environment, the goal as itself don't want to affect the resources that give us the planet and the nature. In the social part, the goal want to promote the social conscience and want to involve the community to create new projects of life. And in the part of the economy, the use of the resources is a very important part to give the solution at this problem. To end this video, I want to make a reflection about the sustainable development. To reach all these goals and to give a solution about all the problems of humanity, everyone needs to participate. Also the governments, the private sector, the civil society, and persons and people like you and people like me need to give an effort to reach this dream. Everyone needs this need and is a necessity to the planet and the nature to reach this dream.